And this is that world's best Android launcher, Google Now Launcher. This launcher is one of the best Android launcher because of its performance. It works without any lagging. If you try this launcher, one thing you can understand that this launcher, when you are using as daily driver phone, you do not have to face any problem. It works really so fast and smooth. I kind of like this animation. That app dryers, everything works really great. Still, I think it is the best Android launcher which works without any problem. This one, if you are using any low Android device like low RAM or performance is so low, then this is the best Android launcher you can try. Even still now, this is the best for low Android device. There's not so many customization. Actually, it's so simple. You can change the icon, you can change anything, just like the normal using. It is the best. So I tried this launcher for 1 day and honestly it sucks because in the new launcher there are a lot of customization, dot notifications and many more, but in launcher that's nothing. So if you want to use your phone so simply like on low Android device, then it is the perfect. Anyway guys, thank you for watching and talk to you guys on the next one.